could vote by 2/3. So it made it a little harder and less accessible to vote. And then they don't have pre-printed ballots when you go to vote. So wherever you wander and show up, they then print a ballot for you, which takes time. And if the printers are screwed up and the tabulators are screwed up, which is what happened in Maricopa County despite testing, which is the job of the county officials, then you have the chaos that you're seeing on the screen there, and you have 2-hour lines, you have poorly trained election officials who aren't used to this model, telling people they can just go to another place to vote, but they can't. When they go to the next place, they're told they've already voted. This disenfranchised voters yesterday.
You see? Harmeet gets it. You want to let the Democrats vote for 3 weeks while you're sitting in a, 2.5-hour line to get to an election official who doesn't know what she or he's doing to tell you they couldn't print a ballot? Why? I don't understand. Why take the chance? I get your point. I have deep respect for your willingness to stick to principle. The problem is, ladies and gentlemen, we're in a dogfight here for the future of the country, and there's no principle in losing right now. A lot of these seats, I bet we lost a good chunk of votes to people who just turned around and went home on election day. Got a special surprise for you. Carrie Lake's team reached out. They want to come on at the top of the hour, so that's going to be pretty awesome. We're looking forward to that, so she'll be here in just a few minutes. Stay tuned for that. And then Leo, right? We got Leo Terrell coming up at 2 o'clock. We typically don't do 2 guests, but with all the news going on, and Carrie Lake wants to come on, you got an open invitation. We love having you on our show. I think she's going to pull this out. And we'll ask her about cleaning up this dreadful voting system in Arizona. I got more coming up next.
Larry Elder here. I want to talk to you for a minute about 100% drug-free relief factor. You know, we all get a little bit older every day, and we all experience aches and pains. Many people even struggle just to get out of bed in the morning and face the world. If you're one of them, then you could be exactly the person Relief Factor was made to help. Let me tell you about Catherine in Pennsylvania. She had shoulder aches, and I mean the kind that were ruining her life. She decided to give Relief Factor a try because she'd heard so many of us on the radio singing its praises. And guess what? After only a few weeks, her pain was nearly gone. No side effects, just relief. Many of my friends and I take Relief Factor every single day. Hundreds of thousands of others have tried it, and about 70% have gone on to order more. Your first step to becoming pain-free just might be to order the 3-week quick start for only $19.95. Go to relieffactor.com or call 800-4RELIEF. Feel the difference. Dan Bongino.
Balance of nature, changing the world one life at a time.
I think taking supplements and things like that, I stay away from medicine and drugs and, all the stuff that the doctors and pharmaceuticals and stuff like that. I just don't like it. And all the supplements that I've been taking throughout the years, and they were good. They're more on the high end, but nothing compares to the balance of nature. Just not even close.
Well, because I've been running up this hill for 50 years, when I taste something different, I can tell the difference in how I feel running. Because it's the same path I've run for 50 years, half a mile uphill. And I'm really pumping when I get to the top. And I can tell the difference if I've had the balance of nature's fruits and veggies or if I haven't.
Start your journey. Call 1-800-246-8751 or go to balanceofnature.com to get free shipping, and don't forget to get 35% off your first preferred order by using discount code KSFO.
I don't know, maybe someday in the future cryptocurrencies will be the gold standard, but you know what's the gold standard right now? Gold. Of having your wealth secured. Gold and silver prices are low right now. Desert Gold Exchange can hook you up.
Well, it's the perfect time in a lot of ways because inflation is running at record highs, and gold has always been the ultimate hedge against inflation. You combine that with a recession and just uncertainty around the globe, it's worth looking into Desert Gold Exchange to start a commodity strategy today.
Yeah, don't get wiped out like a lot of people did in 2008. Protect your hard-earned wealth. Give Desert Gold Exchange a call at 888-852-4343. 888-852-4343. They're great people. Whoever you talk to is an owner, so you're in good hands.
Family owned and operated, very best prices, lower commissions, 888-852-4343 or DGEGold.com. That's DGEGold.com.
This is for all you guys on Viagra. ED pills are no longer needed. The brutal side effects like 4-hour headaches, blurred vision, and that flush feeling can all be put behind you with our treatment. Here at West Coast Men's Health, we have a better approach to ED. Acoustic wave therapy creates blood flow circulation by safely removing the plaque in your arteries and restoring function naturally. Guys, let me be clear. Pills will never fix your problem. Our equipment is the latest technology, and our medical staff is the best in the industry. And right now, we're offering a free treatment just for coming in. That's right. You can try this treatment at no cost. If you suffer from ED